morning to my respected teachers.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We are Group 6 and we are going to present about how windmill works. Now, first we would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Nicholas Quasera and my roll number is short.
My name is Christopher Luma and my roll number is 32.
My name is Naran Wada and I'm one person.
My name is Zero Pedro and I'm one person.
Now, first, we would like to ask Christopher on how windmill works.
A windmill is a machine that converts the energy of waste into mechanical energy for performing work such as grinding grain or pumping water. Now let's call Nicholas to explain more about what the windmill is.
Now we're going to talk about on how wind energy is captured. The kinetic energy, also known as energy of motion, in the moving air strikes the blade of the windmill. The blades are also shaped like airplane wings so that the difference in air pressure across them makes a spin. This is also called as aerodynamic lift. Secondly, how does the blade or rotation works? When the wind pushes the blade, they begin to rotate around the hub. The hub is connected to a mesh shaft, which transfers this rotational motion inside the windmill. Now, let's ask Ramwata to tell us about how electric distribution and control system works.
Electric distribution. The generated electricity passes through transformer to increase its voltage. It's then sent through power line to supply home, industries and other facilities. Control system. Modern windmill or wind turbine have sensors and control system that adjust the plate angle, pitch control to catch the right amount of wind. Rotate the entire turbine, yaw control to face the wind direction. Automatically shut down when the wind is too strong to prevent damage.
Energy used in traditional windmill. In other types, system of generating electricity, the rotation power, mechanical systems such as whistle for grinding grain or pumps power for moving water. Wind energy transformed to blade motion, harmonic opposite motion, mechanical or electrical energy, useful power for moving.
Now, let us call our friend Christopher. Now let us call our friend Christopher to talk about mechanical power transmission.
Inside the windmill, the main shaft is connected to a gearbox. The gearbox increases the propeller speed to 30 to 60 rotations per minute, from the blades to 1000 to 1500 rotations per minute needed for generating electricity. Energy conversion. The fast spinning shaft drives the generator. Generator converts into mechanical energy to electrical using electromagnetic induction, where a moving magnetic field creates an electric current. Don Trang Xuân, ví dụ anh sẽ có là thấy anh đầu vui vẻ mà xỉn là đi. Hey, chi đi bên đi anh đầu chi đi bên đi bằng han, háo tập là wa. Háo tập là gì? Computer design sungi ada memang cuman plastik print mandi atau web ka aro katang tha zare mande ni cuman computer kan design sung le print sung remote ngai to hian atau tala darkar song pangatan cuman senga cuman tuna atolan kan loena
So that's all for presentation. Thank you. Bye.